Hello students, welcome back to Full Scholarship video series. If you are dreaming of studying in UK and looking for a fully funded scholarship opportunity, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the Chevening Scholarship, the UK's top scholarship program for outstanding international students. This prestigious award offers a fully funded one-year master's program at top UK universities and could be your gateway to an exciting academic and professional journey. Stay tuned as we explore everything you need to know about Chevening Scholarship 2025. The Chevening Scholarship, funded by the UK government, is designed for emerging leaders from around the globe. This opportunity not only covers all your expenses but also opens doors to a network of future leaders and influencers. It's aimed at talented individuals who want to enhance their careers and contribute positively to their home countries upon their return. Now, let's talk about the eligibility criteria for the scholarship. To be considered for the Chevening Scholarship, you must meet the following criteria: be a citizen of one of the Chevening eligible countries. With 160 countries in the program, you can check your eligibility on the official Chevening website. Hold a bachelor's degree equivalent to an upper second class. Have at least 2 years of work experience. This includes paid jobs, internships, and volunteer work amounting to 2,800 hours. Apply to 3 eligible UK universities and receive an unconditional offer from at least one. And lastly, agree to return your home country for at least 2 years after completing your scholarship. Now let's talk about the benefits of Chevening Scholarship. It includes tuition fees, it covers full university tuition fees, a monthly stipend for the accommodation and living expenses, travel costs, arrival and departure grants, visa costs, even grants, etc. Now, let us discuss requirements for the UK Chevening Scholarship. To apply, you will need a CV, an up to date CV, a passport, degree certificate, course choices, English proficiency test results. You will also need a university offer, reference letters, at least two, academic certificates, and a motivation letter. In order to view the complete details about the scholarship, you can visit our website, thekashmirlook.com or fullscholarship.net. Moving on to the application process. The application process involves online application, apply through the official Chevening online application system, courses and university selection, choose up to 3 courses and universities in UK, apply to these universities and secure an unconditional offer from at least one, then fill out the form carefully following all instructions. The application link for the scholarship is mentioned on our website. You can visit our website and then click on this link. It will take you to the scholarship page. Here you have to select your country territory, so you can search your country and select your award. So first select your country. After selecting country, you can start applying. So click on apply today. Then you have to choose an award. So choose the country or territory you are applying for. Then you have to choose the award you are applying for. So choose an award. For example, I will select Achieving Scholarship 2025-2026. Then click on continue. Now you have to register for an account. Here you have to enter your email address, mobile number and recovery email. After clicking on register, next steps, you will receive a verification link in your email. So you have to check your inbox, check junk and spam folder, and then click on the link. After opening the link which was previously sent to your email, now you have to fill the eligibility requirements. So select accordingly, read these questions and select yes or no accordingly. After selecting, click on continue. Here is eligibility requirements page 2. So select these. So here you can see we have passed the eligibility check. Now you will receive further instructions in your email to continue with your application. Please check your email. So you will receive instructions to continue via email. Email for our application portal. So click on that link. Now here it says make a note of your access code. So this is our access code. Then click on continue. Now here you have to enter your access code. Click on submit. Now we can continue with our application. Now we can make application. So these are the steps we have to go through. First we have to enter personal details, then citizenship and travel documents, higher education history, work history, program of study, referees, supporting statements, equal opportunities, and then we can submit our application. So start by filling your personal details. Click on personal details. Here you need to enter first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, address, country. So fill up these details. After personal details, now we have to fill citizenship and travel documents. Go through this and select accordingly. After that, fill up the higher education history. So click on it. Here you can add higher education history. Now enter work history. So click on work history. Here click on how you work history total hours are calculated. So you can check that here. Here you can add work history. Click on it. After that you have to enter program of study. So click on it. Now here you can select program of study. First you have to choose a sector. See, for example, we will select science. Now here you have to enter your choices, minimum 3. So enter your first choice, second choice, and third choice. Next step is referees. So click. You need to have at least 2 referees. So here you have to add first referee and then second referee. So click on add first referee. Now here you can fill the details about referee. So here you have to enter name, job, organization, email, then phone number, then click on save and close. Similarly, add details of second referee. So click on this and now fill up these details. Next step for this application process is supporting statements. So click on it. Here you have to explain how you meet these requirements using clear examples of your own leadership and influencing skills to support your answer. So here you have to enter these, and minimum should be 100 words and maximum 500 words. Second is relationship building and shared learning. Here you have to explain how you build and maintain relationships in professional capacity. You have to use clear examples how you currently do this. So it should be from 100 words minimum and maximum 500 words. Third step is studying in UK. Here you have to outline why you have selected your chosen 3 university courses and explain how this relates to your previous academic and professional experience. Lastly, career plan. Here, please outline your immediate plans upon returning home and your long term career. After entering, click on Save and Complete. Now the next section is Equal Opportunities. Here are some questions, so select the answers accordingly. Moving on to the last step, which is Submit Application. So click on Submit Application. Go through these details and then check these check these boxes. After that, click on Submit Application. Here it says Confirm Submission. So we have successfully submitted our application. Thank you for your application. Now you can return to application to review your submitted information and answers. The Chevening Scholarship is a remarkable opportunity for future leaders to study in UK, gain valuable experience and contribute to their communities back home. If you meet eligibility criteria and are ready to take on this exciting challenge, start preparing your application now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarship and follow us on Instagram for upcoming updates on scholarships and educational opportunities. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application.